we shall make the potty treats. Okay, so we're gonna start by mashing 1 banana and mixing it with 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Well, we'll do 4. Add 1 cup of flour. So we're going to sprinkle flour. Well, we'll start with this and see. Whoa, oh, I forgot to sprinkle flour on top of that. Alexa, how much is 6 millimeters in inches?
6 millimeters is about 0.236 inches.
How much millimeters is 1/4 of an inch?
0.25 inches is 6.35 millimeters.
Oh, so we're good. Okay, so I'm going to chop it square. For like 20 minutes. We have got like a lot of treats, so many I don't even think I can count them. I mean, I know how to count like rows of things. That's why I line it up evenly so I can count the rows.